Wilcox Furniture. Great furniture delivered fast and guaranteed low prices. Now, the most accurate forecast in South Texas with meteorologist Juan Acuna.
Hi everyone, this is a Wilcox Furniture forecast, and what an afternoon for us here as we continue to have dry air filter into the region and cloud coverage is slowly beginning to move out. We're taking a live look at our Waves Resort 6 WeatherBug camera, and they're holding on to a few high clouds over the region right now, but those temperatures are into the lower 80s out at North Padre Island, feeling like 82. That dew point is down into the upper 60s. With the northeasterly wind at 14 miles an hour. That drier air is really dry up in the northern sections of the coastal bend. That's going to continue to spread on down to the south as we head into the overnight hours, as these numbers are into the 40s, 50s, and still holding on to some 60s near the coastline. And as I mentioned, those will continue dropping, but still, compared to 24 hours ago, let me go back there, these are going to about 14 to 36 degrees lower than what they were yesterday. And when these numbers are in the minus, that means a lot of dry air is filtering on in. So here's a look at the Doppler radar of the shower activity that occurred late last night going into tomorrow morning as well. Again, it wasn't a whole lot. We were on the tail end of the activity, which is certainly good because, as you know, a lot of the storms up to the northeast were pretty strong in nature, but again, mainly near the upper northeastern half of the coastal bend out near Rockport, they registered just over 0.2 of an inch of rain, 0.03 off in Port Aransas, as well as out at the Naval Air Station. And here in Corpus Christi, we had 0.08 of an inch of rainfall, but that was before the frontal boundary actually came in and associated with some moisture that was streaming in from northern Mexico into South Texas. Right now, those winds are going to continue to stay out of the north, and they are going at about 10 to 20 miles an hour. So as we look at the evening forecast, again, we're at 88 now, dropping into about 84 at 6 o'clock and into the lower 70s by tonight with clearing skies. Should be pretty nice out there to see the Orionid meteor showers out there. Just be sure to look away from the moon, as there'll be about 20 to 25 of them per hour. And of course, stay away from the city lights. That's when you'll see them best with those northeasterly winds at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. It's going to be a cool night considering with clear skies. We'll look for those lows mainly into the middle to upper 50s for the inland areas, and still holding on to the 60s and lower 70s near the water. And that's because the water continues to be pretty warm out there. But tomorrow, here's a day planner looking fantastic. 57 at 7 o'clock, clear and cool. Abundant sunshine in the afternoon, just a gorgeous day, and 85 warm and seasonal with easterly winds at 18 miles an hour. So we'll look at 85 here, middle to upper 80s inland, and then right along the coastline into the upper 70s to lower 80s from Rockport down to the Naval Air Station. And there are the clouds again slowly escaping us as that frontal boundary continues to stay down into tomorrow morning. This is our cloud rain forecast. I'm going in time here. This is tomorrow afternoon, going on into Wednesday morning, on into Wednesday afternoon as well. We are in for about 48 hours of pure sunshine, looking fantastic. There's a frontal boundary down to the south of us, cooler and drier air up to the north. The engine, the upper level system, is up around the northern plains at this point. There is our next frontal boundary, and again, behind this front, we have 30s and 40s, and again, we are seeing a taste of that here, despite temperatures being in the 80s. But that next front, this one is stronger in nature, will arrive on Thursday afternoon, and in fact, Thursday evening, I should say, early Friday morning. It'll be much cooler with some scattered thunder showers in the forecast as well. So our NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast, it looks like this as we go to 85 tomorrow, 87 on Wednesday, very nice, breezy as well. And then we get more humidity ahead of the next front on Thursday. They'll be scattered in nature, and early Friday as well, but only a high of 69, a whole lot of wind. But Saturday, Sunday, and Monday looking fantastic, cooler and drier. Look at those lows, Paulo, into the upper 40s.